Okay, so I did my first unboxing video. iOptron looked it over and they mentioned that I missed something really crucial. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to bring down this portion, that little top piece. So as you're unscrewing from the bottom, you're going to want to bring it down so that there is enough, there's enough space in here, because I forgot to install the Azimuth bolt. So essentially, once you get it to where you need it, when you bring it down enough, you can just tighten it up. Then I'll tighten the mount, tighten the tripod so the tripod is stable. In here, you've got this Azimuth bolt, which will go in the center to help basically set up the tripod to be more stable on the Azimuth setting. So you basically just want to screw it into the center of the tripod, and then we can put the mount on top of that. So let me get the mount real quick. Just raise this up so we can see it. So in here, you can now see the mount heads, or the Azimuth screw coming through the mount. So basically it's going to give it a little more stability, so it's not going to slide around as much. So that was something iOptron mentioned to me. I just wanted to add that to this, just so you're aware.